So hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to buy Bitcoin on your Moonpay app. So to do this, it's pretty simple. Here I'll guide you on how you can effortlessly buy your Bitcoin here in your own Moonpay app. So basically just open up the application. You have to be fully verified to do this. So here we have the buy button. It's going to do straightforward, easy for you guys. Select your Bitcoin right here and then select the amount. So we do 1,000 euros right here. So let's do continue. And then you can enter your address. So you have your own address for your own account. It's already default. So you can also enter another address from Trust Wallet and MetaMask and such more. So next it's going to redirect you to a new website here in Moonpay. It's secure, don't worry. So you have to add a payment method. You can do bank transfer or you can do a debit card. So basically in debit card is going to be instant for you guys. So you want to add your card number, expiry date, CVC, and here your own billing address. From there, debit cards are 35% more likely to succeed as a note right here. So from there, as you have done it, you're gonna buy using your own debit card. Once it puts through, it's gonna redirect you and you can check your own Moonpay BTC wallet, and there you go. You have bought Bitcoin on your Moonpay. So if this video is helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.